Hello friends and welcome to this new video. So in my last video I showed you the differences between the Nuki Smart Lock 3.0 and the 3.0 Pro. One of the main differences is that this one doesn't have a bridge. But if you use the Nuki Smart Lock in your HomeKit network, you don't really need a bridge because your HomeKit acts like a bridge. So I have my HomePod Mini, and with my HomePod Mini I can control my smart lock from a distance when I'm not on my Wi-Fi network without any problems. But you have to know that the HomeKit options for Nuki are quite limited. So you can only lock or unlock the door when you're not on your Wi-Fi network. When you have a bridge, you have full access to your Nuki Smart Lock. With all the options, you can control everything. So you can easily add a bridge to your Smart Lock 3.0. like I have here. So the bridge costs 99 euros. So let's see what's in the box. We have, as always, the little leaflets. And we have the bridge itself that you can simply plug into your power source. So here I have my Nuki Smart Lock 3.0. And as you can see on the box, you have to plug the bridge into a power source in Bluetooth range. So I have to search around my door if I have a power source somewhere within Bluetooth range, so that would be like 5 meters. So I have one just over there. So here I have my power source. Let's plug it in and then we go to the Nuki app. We go to the Nuki app. In the upper left corner we go to the menu and we select Control Devices. Then you select the bridge and you click on Add a Bridge and you hold the button on the bridge itself. This way it will set up a Bluetooth connection. Once a Bluetooth connection is made, it will look for Wi-Fi networks, and there you select your own network and you put in the password. And when this is done, it will configure itself. And you only have to select the smart lock to which you're going to connect your bridge. And when the connection is made, you are all done. So as you saw, the installation was really easy. Just plug and play. And now I always can follow up my Nuki thanks to this bridge. So really handy, a nice addition to the smart lock. So let me know in the comments what you think about Nuki and its products. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye bye.